So, what's up, everybody? So, I saw this on Facebook, right? And it's a versus dub match. And this one is really good. Liu Kang versus Tommy Oliver. Nothing but pure hands. And this is my opinion. Liu Kang gonna win. Like, y'all gotta forget, Mortal Kombat 95 movie is hard. Tommy could not hang with Liu Kang. I hate to say this to my Power Rangers fan, and to my Tommy fans out there, Liu Kang's dog walk him. It's simple as that. I hate to say it, Liu Kang wins.